step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
AU turbine with that vortex. There is smoke on out of his legs. First is the president of Pacific Warbirds to provide aerial history tours in his North American.
Okay, Houston, we've had a problem here. This is Houston. Say again, please. Houston, we've had a problem. We've had a main beam undervolt. Roger, main beam undervolt. Okay, stand by 13, we're looking at it.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.